Hey guys, I'm going to harvest this. This is more than 12 months old. Hasn't gone to seed or anything yet, so I'm going to harvest it and make some kale chips. Alright, I decided to cut two mostly, leave this one a bit more, because as you can see, I've got a big box full of kale. So that's going to be so nice. I'm going to be a great little snack for the family.